Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R250 server. In this video, we're going to talk about network cards. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R250 server. Do us a favor, you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. So this video, we're going to go over the types of form factors for the network cards that will work with your R250 server. Then we're going to show you the compatible interfaces, all the various speeds. We're going to put up a whole compatibility chart for the models of network cards that you can use. Now this is the Dell approved chart, and if you're using something else that is not on the Dell chart, hey, drop a comment down below. I'm sure the other users would love to hear it, and there's plenty of cards that are not on our chart that work just fine. The compatibility chart is what the Dell engineers actually use, so let's just make sure that's known. So again, put some comments and say what works for you, because people will love to hear that. At the very end, we're going to show you how to install the cards as well. So let's just hop into all the fun stuff. All right, so let's talk about the form factor of network cards you can use. So in the 13th and 14th gen, a network daughter card. Man, what a lovely feature and a great card. You could use that for a lot of the systems, the R640s and R740s in particular. But with the R250, there's one form factor, and that is a PCIe card. There's no network daughter card. There's no OCP 3.0, which some of the other 15th gen has in this series. It is literally you get a PCIe card, and technically there's two PCIe slots. But if you're using a RAID card, one of those needs to be dedicated for the RAID card. So depending on the case, you could throw in two cards and use software RAID, or you could throw in one network card and then one RAID card. So it's kind of up to you, but that is going to be the type of form factor that you can use as a PCIe card. No network daughter card, no OCP 3.0. And I guess I should also point out there are two onboard 1 gigabit RJ45, and then of course the dedicated LAN or management port, which is going to be your iDRAC port. So you're going to have an iDRAC port and two onboard 1 gig RJ45. And you know, while that's nice and lovely, a lot of people are going to want 10 gigabit. Now, if you're using this at home, like for a home lab, and I mean, a lot of people's house literally only have a 1 gigabit uplink, then hey, this is a great feature or a great server for your home lab. But if you're using this in a business and you want 10 gigabit, the onboard one isn't necessarily the best feature for you, and you'll probably want to drop in at least a 10 or 25 gigabit card in the one PCIe slot that you have, because I mean, you can get 10 and 25 gigabit cards for, I mean, cheap nowadays. So, you know, if it costs you $50 to get 10 gigabit for 1 gigabit on the hardware side, I mean, do it, of course. All right, so what type of interfaces can we use? Well, RJ45, which is another way of saying Ethernet, which will be probably the most popular, SFP, SFP+, SFP28, which is great for your 25 gigabits. You're going to have QSFP, QSFP28, QSFP56, and good old school fiber channel. All right, that brings us to speeds. You can get a 1 gigabit, 10, 25, 40, 100. Can you do 200? Well, we didn't have one to test at the time we had this, but you can definitely do up to at least 100. And if you're doing fiber channel, 8, 16, or 32. But if you're at home and you've dropped in a 200 or 400 gigabit card, hey, please drop a comment down below. Let the other users know. They will be super interested to know. But as far as what we have tested, we put in a dual port 100 gigabit card to max this out on the one PCIe card, or the one PCIe slot, because the other one is, we were using RAID, but I guess you can put in two if there's no RAID, but that's what we got. All right, so let's go ahead and show you the part you've probably been waiting for. Let's show you how to physically install your PCIe card.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your PCIe network cards into your Dell PowerEdge R250 server. So as you can see, we have our network card here, and that will be all you need. So let's go ahead and set it to the side, pop our latch, and lift our top, just like any other server you've been in before. First, let's go ahead and remove our air baffle and set it to the side. Now we will use the indentions on the riser and simply lift the riser straight up. Now we will flip the riser over, and as you can see, we will install the network card into this slot here. So let's go ahead and remove the filler here and then set it to the side. Next, we will go ahead and grab our network card and make sure that the leads match up with the slot. And the bracket will need to match up to where the filler was before we actually removed it. And so gently push the card all the way into the slot, making sure that the bracket is flush. And now all we need to do is place the riser back into the slot, like so. All right, you've done it. You have successfully installed your PCIe network card into your Dell PowerEdge R250 server. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys Dell's approved list of network cards that this server can take. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, Asus, ASRock, Gigabyte, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.